Let's get started. Round 1, chain 21. In the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet in each chain space, total of 20 single crochet. Round 2 to round 5, attach yellow color yarn and make 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 single crochet, repeat 2 times. Dodie, front part. Round 1, chain 4, and make 3 single crochet. Round 2, chain 1, turn, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet. Round 3, chain 1, turn, 1 decrease. Round 4 to round 6, chain 1, turn, 1 single crochet. Dupata. Round 1, chain 37, 1 double crochet in third chain, 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 24 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 double crochet. Crown. Round 1, chain 62, 1 double crochet in third chain, and 1 double crochet in each chain, total of 60 double crochet. Round 2 to round 3, chain 2, turn, 1 double crochet in each stitch, total of 60 double crochet. Front part of crown. Round 1, 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Round 2, chain 2, turn, 2 double crochet in each stitch, total of 12 double crochet. Change to orange color
Round
yarn.
3.
1 slip stitch in each stitch. Eyes. Take black yarn, round 1, 6 single crochet in a magic ring. Change to white yarn, round 2, 6 increase, total of 12 single crochet. Round 3, change to red yarn, 1 slip stitch in each stitch. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.